the boat is already moving. Yes, and that is because I am exploring some suns, some canals. Yeah, we just left the Sute canal and we are now heading to the Hamburg Sund. It for sure is a beautiful scenery, and I know, it is always difficult to catch it with the camera and to give you as a viewer the idea of how it is, because actually you do not feel the boat move, you do not see how close it is other than when I catch it with the camera. Okay, I will switch that one off. I try to give you as a viewer the idea of how it is to cruise along these isles. We are heading to Hamburg Sund, and I would say sit back and relax, and off we go. Only 2 miles from where I am now, 24, 28 knots of wind, and a lot of white hats on the waves. And over here, of course, you see the flags in this position, but still the water is very nice to cruise. We will have some waves and swell within a couple of minutes, but I think that we can manage. Well, at least you can. Duh. Well, we go out now, and you see some spray on the rocks where the waves break. But it looks as if all the rocks over there will break the waves for sure. Of course, there is still swell. This is a sea. I do hear sounds. Yes, I do hear sounds. There is this rock with this white, greenish, black, white. Then on starboard we have a sign of a rock, and there also. And I have to go in between because over there we have red, and red we should keep on starboard. Yes. Okay, then it is safe. I guess that in the video it only took a couple of seconds, and in real life, IRL, in real life, a little bit more. But we are in quieter waters already. Welcome in Hamburg Sund. Is it Hamburg Sund? Hamburg Sund? Hamburg Sund. Yeah, there's always I do not know the English word, klemtoon. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hamburg Sund. It is approximately, I think it was 1 week ago that my Danish friend Jan from Lady Elena, he came on the WhatsApp and he said, we are in Smögen and then you have to come and visit because it is so beautiful over here. And actually, to be honest, you have to go even more north because you have to go and see Hamburg, Sund and some other villages. And then I must confess that I thought, yeah, but I already have seen white, yellow, red and greyish houses on a rock. So why should I go up? And then this morning he said, Henk-Jan, I think for your viewers it is a must that you go up. Oh, and then I listened. Because for you, then I go. So I thought I have 1 or 2 days left. I can manage. And then I said, okay, but when I return, then we will go to Gothenburg and further on. He said, yeah. But go north. Yes, Jan was right. Yes. What a beautiful scenery. And, yes, red, white, grey and yellow houses on a rock. Yes, but in a complete different setting. So also over here, I am in awe. The ferry of Hamburgsund. Wow. It's a cable ferry. You just see the cable under the boat. So perhaps I slow down and I will grab my handheld camera so I can show you. I also have to pay attention that he sees me and he does not cross the moment that I am with the camera in my hand. Jen was right. You have to go. You must go. You must go. Henk-Jan, listen to me. You must go. Wow. Yeah, this is something. I would almost say people with money enjoying their money for sure. Ho, ho, ho. Green, yep. If I see this, the houses near the waterfront, the jetties, mooring facilities, the gardens and the houses, I for sure would say these people have money and they enjoy it to the fullest. And even if you have a small house over here, it's the same in the Netherlands and in the spot where you live, I for sure believe that the moment that you sit in the sun and you think, man, I am a rich man or woman. Yeah, then you are rich. It has nothing to do with money. Of course it helps to drive a boat like this. Of course if you have to row, then it is different than if you have 2 engines in the engine room. And of course if you have to walk instead of cycling or having a moped or even a motorcycle, let's say a car. And also if your car is a little bit bigger than the one of the neighbors. Yes, I can imagine that it helps. But sunlight on your face in nature like this, or where you are based, I believe that also. I am a very rich person. Yeah. I hope that these people have moments that they have these mindfulness moments. Who will tell? Have a look. Welcome in Sweden with the sun on the water. Oh, by the way, I think it was somewhere in 2023 that social media presented me pictures of boaters who cruised in the Gothenburg Archipelago in Sweden. And when I saw that, I was in awe. So in summer of 2024, I decided to go and check out those surroundings myself. This video is a part of a series in which I share my trip to this Gothenburg Archipelago and back to the Netherlands. And the series shows you my trip through Germany, Denmark and Sweden. And every day that I cruised during this trip results in at least one video. So chances are that I am physically already back in the Netherlands, whilst I still share the new horizons and surroundings of this archipelago. But hey, that is why a video like this is called entertainment. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. I have said it in many videos before, but the beauty of sailing, at least on this part of Sweden, is that you can hide between the islands. Because the wind gauge tells me that it is blowing 26 and in gusts even 29 knots of wind. If you look on the footage, you will not recognize that because the swell and the waves are gone. They are broken because of all the isles over there. Nevertheless, wind is wind, so it will follow its path. Yeah, if it does not make these swell and these waves, then it is way easier to handle. And if you are not familiar with boating, when you go shopping and there's a lot of wind, you can handle it still. And then the bags behind you, they will fly behind you like this. But who cares? You are shopping. Well, it's the same over here. I think I'm not fond of shopping. I'm more of an online guy. Perhaps many men are. Ho 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 ho. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the captain from the wheelhouse. Welcome in Fjällbacka. In one of the videos where I am in the Marstrand area, I just decided to go in, make a round through the harbor and then leave again. And I suggest that we do that with the Fjällbacka also. So I then will start my starboard engine to make maneuvering easier.
Anrop här kallas Stockholm Radio med väderprognosen för Hallands Väderö till Nordkoster, Vänern och Vättern. Lyssna till rätt trafikkanal samt gränsvåg.
Well, by now it is clear that they do not have room for me. Well, I must confess that I am not looking for a spot over here. I just drove in to show you the old marina. Sjöräddning. Oh, rescue at sea. Sjö, sea, perhaps. Räddning, rescue. Well, if you need a translator in Swedish, here I am. I just wanted to show you Fjällbacka, and now we are heading for a bay, protected of course because the wind. Yep, well, we have some speed, but the wind gauge tells me that we are talking about 30 knots. That is a little bit too much, but I have a speed of 4 miles at the moment. So I will push a little bit more. Do I need 2 engines? No, not in this situation. So we continue on 1 then. Stop. Let's have a look. There is a red buoy that I have to pay attention to, and I have to keep that one on starboard. Okay. There is this wing foiler. Ooh, he fell exactly on my course. Okay, he's getting up. Oof. I thought by myself, perhaps this is a good moment to say goodbye. Yeah. Did you like the footage, this video? Yeah, please let me know by giving the thumbs up. And if you have not yet already, please subscribe to the channel. And there is a notification bell that the moment that I publish another video, you are the first to know. So, for now, how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then. Bye bye.